When your DeLonghi portable air conditioner remote stops working, don't panic. Most issues can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, check the batteries. Even if they seem to have some charge, replace them with fresh ones. Pay careful attention to the polarity markings. Positive and negative must be inserted correctly. Never mix old and new batteries or different battery types like alkaline and standard. This can cause poor performance or damage to your remote. Next, check for signal obstructions. Your remote has a limited range. CST remotes work up to 10 meters, while infrared remotes typically work within 5 to 7 meters. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the air conditioner's sensor. Remove any obstacles that might block the signal path. Finally, clean the sensors on both your remote control and the air conditioning unit. Use a clean, damp cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris. Dirt and dust on the sensors can block the infrared signal, preventing your remote from communicating with the unit effectively. These three basic troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 80% of DeLonghi remote control issues. Start with these simple checks before moving to more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, advanced reset procedures can resolve most remote control issues. We'll start with resetting both the remote and the AC unit. For DeLonghi models with CST remotes, proper pairing is essential. The pairing process involves specific button sequences on both the remote and AC unit. Check your AC unit's display for error codes. Common codes include HL for high water level and CF for dirty filter. These codes help identify specific issues that may affect remote functionality. Modern alternatives include smart home integration. Universal IR blasters like Sensibo Air and Broadlink RM4 Pro can control older AC units remotely. Many newer DeLonghi models also support the DeLonghi Comfort app for smartphone control. These advanced troubleshooting methods should resolve most DeLonghi AC remote issues. Start with reset procedures, check for error codes, and consider smart home integration for enhanced control and convenience.